Hey, Tori.
I accidentally erased all of the video footage that we had leading up to right now. We're packing for Kanchanaburi. We have 5 days. We're gonna go do some waterfall jumping. Let's go, let's go. It's time to party in Kanchanaburi.
So this resort I got's pretty beautiful. Right on the water. A little restaurant on the water. So this is the River Kwai here. But I'm gonna put on my funny hat and go downstairs and go swimming. So you ready?
Yeah. Isn't that gorgeous?
Ooh.
I'm sinking.
People might be wondering,
What?
why are you wearing that silly hat, Grayson?
Oh, people might be wondering.
Yeah, people wonder about me a lot.
My 3 viewers. Hey guys. Hey mom. I bet you're wondering why Grace is
Miss Co, you might be wondering.
Actually, it's not. I don't think my mom is my 3rd viewer. I think it's my dad.
So I've stopped for a second because I know Tori would be mad if I didn't do a vlog real quick. But our hotel is really, really close to the river. Well, the River Kwai's big, but it's next to the Death Railroad. We're gonna take this motorbike pretty good chunk of distance tomorrow and today and go see some sights. There's the railroad.
It is time to go and find our lunch. Getting us coffees in this darling little marketplace. Alright, here's some khao pad gai, lạp muống, khao niao, and Kburi deng.
Yeah, so this is the one I got like bombed. It's like crazy. But that is a hard rain.
At least we didn't erase everything while we were at home and then erase all of the, like, not be able to refilm the waterfalls. So, counting my blessings.
Tori was so sad. I've never seen her so genuinely sad. I don't think I've ever made her that sad. So, we're walking down now. My flip-flop broke pretty bad. Can I go swimming in this?
Look, just get like a pan, like just a view of it, like with the sun and the leaves. It's a jungle. Actually, jungle. Yes, I want to go swimming. Guys, look, I made friends. It feels like a very little fish with a very little mouth is biting me. There are definitely teeth, though. You can feel some teeth get in the skin, you know?
Absolutely. Hey.
Spa day. Spa day in the jungle.
Okay, Tori, here we go. Ready? Ready?
You can do it, baby. He did not look like he enjoyed that at all. right up to me. Okay. Grayson, does it make you happy or sad that I attract pigs? It is time to return home. Say farewell to this lovely, lovely place. We got our postcard.
I'm gonna turn the bike
We got
on.
our bike. We got our pants on. We're ready to go. It's time to go. We're rushing out. We have to go because we are late dropping off our motorbike and we should go. That's all. Grayson.
Okay, so Tori
Whatever he's about to say is a lie.
says we need a new ashtray, and let me show you what I wanted first. Cute little monkey ashtray is cool. Tori went straight for dick and balls here, and she's gonna force me to get it, or if she wants it, then she has to buy it.
I don't want to be the one to buy it. No, I went the monkey now.
Alright, hold on.
And upon closer inspection, monkey also has balls.
And that he's holding in his hand, his like back leg, look at that.